Hello viewers, this is Kanis Rahman. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. This is my cooking channel and today I posted my first video. Today I didn't cook anything. It's just a salad bowl how I prep for my lunch, and this is so delicious and I hope everybody will like it. Everybody is thinking salad is kind of a hard things to do because you have to cut all the raw vegetables, but I think this is a misconcept. It just take a 7 to 10 minutes to me to prep all those items, but all you have to do just take your all the vegetables and put aside of your cutting board, so that will much easier for you. First I cut my cucumber slices, then I cut my cilantro. I love the citrusy flavor in my salad. And here is the onions. I cut into thin slices. I just make it like 10 or 12 slices, maybe 15. It not take too much, just make it a flavor. And here is a avocado. I just took half avocado and I just direct put it in the bowl because this is so soft. And next I grate some lime zest. And also I cut my lime in half for later to squeeze on the top. And now I'm adding some carrot slices, onion slices, cilantro, and my sliced cucumber in my bowl. I add 10 or 12 tomatoes in my bowl. I didn't cut it. If you have a big tomatoes, you can cut it in small pieces, but I like the way it is because it's small and it's really good. Next I squeezed my lime for flavor. Now I'm adding some extra virgin olive oil, around 1 teaspoon, and then I add some salt to taste. And here is some black pepper. I grind it on the top. And finally I'm adding my white sesame seeds. I love it in my salad. And then mix it together. Mix. And then the salad bowl will be ready to eat. Okay, I did try my salad and it was so good. It was some soury flavor and salty, sweety because of the carrot, and my tomatoes was so sweet because it's organic and it's too little, but it's sweet. And the onion flavor and the avocado makes it so creamy. I really like it. And guess what? It's raining outside. Not only fried items or khichdi you like in this day, you will love the salad bowl too. So try it out at home and let me know in my comment section. Please like my video and subscribe my channel for the next video. Thank you and bye bye.